On a tense day in Wisconsin Rapids, police respond to a dangerous road rage incident involving a firearm. A man reportedly pulled a gun on another driver, sparking immediate concern from authorities. When officers locate the suspect's vehicle and attempt a traffic stop, the driver takes off, leading them on a high-speed pursuit. What happens next is a dramatic foot chase and a takedown that you'll see unfold from the Bodycam's perspective. Viewer discretion is advised.
Traffic's light. Speeds are 23 miles an hour. Wrong lane of traffic, northbound on East Street. Drew, why don't you take over calling it? If you're good with that.
North A Street, wrong way to traffic.
Just be advised, the white car behind Jordan is following also. He's part of it.
Coming up to Baker. Eastbound Baker, speed 65. Baker, speed 45, passing 11.
Oh, fuck, no, don't do that.
Speed 65, passing 16th. He's coming up to 54. He's cutting towards Robinson Park. He is IGA parking lot heading westbound on Washington Street.
His right front is out, right front tire is out on his vehicle.
North on 18th Street, passenger side front tire is flat.
Both front tires are out.
Westbound Franklin. Jordan, if he's got a 1032, keep your distance.
It's like one individual in the vehicle.
We are westbound Wiley from 17th, westbound Wiley. We are southbound 14th coming up to Baker. Southbound passing Baker. He's going west on Wisconsin. We're into 1331. 31.
Where's your hat? Where's your hat? Hat!
magazine on the ground here. We got a magazine on the ground.
What?
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. You hear me? Do it now. Hands behind your back. Fight.
I can't breathe. I'm unconscious.
Yep.
I'm unconscious.
You're not unconscious. You're talking, buddy.
Wait. What happened?
That's me.
It's you.
Did I get into an accident? What?
He's reaching his right front somewhere when he's going.
I'm not. Oh, somebody. Oh.
Shut up.
Anthony. Wesley.
Where's that wallet you just tossed?
Right here. Oh. Anthony.
All right, do we have a squad up here?
Anthony, be on it.
Okay. Can we put him in there just for now?
Stand up.
Oh.
Okay. Tuck your feet in.
Dude.
Put your feet underneath you. Let's go. Come on.
My feet are hurt. My legs are hurt.
You were running just fine.
Yeah. Until you guys have the fence.
He's coming up.
I need to see an ambulance.
Why?
Stand up.
Put your legs underneath you.
My legs don't work.
Bridge is fine. Yeah, you're working fine now, trying to kick out.
No, I'm not trying to.
Yeah, you are. You totally are.
Not. Hey, I'm not trying to kick out, man. Stop. Are you seriously pushing me?
I can get the wrap if you want.
No, not you. Not you. Hey, you just punched me.
You did not punch
He just punched me.
me. You did not. No, just listen and stop fighting.
No, you just punched me. You just punched me. You just punched me. Admit it.
Put your feet in.
When he admits he punched me. Officer, what's your badge number?
Okay, I'm gonna do a walkthrough quick.
Him. I was just following him home. He got into some conversation with this guy in a truck. I told him just like, let's go home, let's go home. I was following him home. Then this truck started following me and he wouldn't leave me alone. And then I was just trying to get home too, and then I saw you guys.
Does he need to go to 606 or jail? I don't know if
Call an ambulance, have him come check on him.
Is he okay?
I think he's fine. He seemed like he was fine when he was running from us.
Yeah.
But he's saying he might not be fine, so we're going to check him out just as a precaution. But I think there's a lot more going on here.
I'm 6 months pregnant.
Are you going to be going home now? Okay. Would you mind if I followed you home and we'll check to see if that gun is in that safe? Mm-hmm. Okay. If you just want to stay here with this deputy for a moment, I'm going to grab my vehicle and I'll be back up and then I can follow you over there.
Okay. Yeah, I should.
It'll be. I'm parked right there. It'll be very brief. Okay. She went looking for him, found him at Rapids Inn.
13, check for Robin is valid class C, regular.
Deborah, add her, please. Met him at Rapids Inn. Was following him home to 1331 Baker. He cut a truck off by the Shell over by Motel 6 on East Street. White truck with amber light and some sort of utility truck. They got into a verbal confrontation, and then she followed him. That guy started following, and then she thought she was kind of hanging out. She thought maybe if he saw his fiance, he would stop running from the cops. Obviously, it didn't work. Mm-hmm. She owns a tan Glock.
That's what we found.
Okay, so it's accounted for.
Yep.
Okay, it's hers.
I didn't get that quote.
If you found this footage intense or eye-opening, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more real-time law enforcement body cam videos. Turn on that notification bell so you never miss an upload. We bring you raw, educational, and dramatic footage, always with context and clarity. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.